Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video I'm actually on PG3D, and guys, today we're going to be going over this snowstorm weapon. So guys, make sure you guys stay all the way to the end, man, because you don't want to miss out. I just upgraded it too. So yeah, I had it pretty low there because obviously this weapon wasn't great until now, and it's like one of those lower tier starter weapons. So basically anybody could get this in the army as far as I know, guys. So we're going to take a look at this weapon. By the way, guys, I'm pretty sure it's purchasable by coins, so everybody should have the snowstorm. Like, it's pretty easy to get, and it actually recently got a buff, and apparently it's supposed to be really good, guys. So we're gonna take a look at this weapon. I just hope we don't get a bot lobby because I don't want to play against bots. It's just kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie, and it kind of gets redundant because they all wear the wooden armor, and it's not like you're really like comparing anything at that point if like you're just playing against a bunch of bots with wooden armor, you know. Like, you're not really even reviewing a weapon at that point, in my opinion. But yeah, I could imagine that the snowstorm a bit higher, because my snowstorm is like epic, and it's still doing quite well. So like, yeah, man, I could imagine this at mythical being very broken, but I do believe it's gonna get nerfed soon. And also, from what I did here, this weapon does have wall break as well. So yeah, it's definitely OP, man. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna leave that. It's just too many bots today, man. That's why I didn't want to get like I wanted to like try to find different lobbies before I started recording. I should have probably done that, but I mean, it's fine, guys, since I mean, I just found a real lobby, so there we go. It's just the other lobby was all bots. I didn't want to waste time in there, and it's not really like at that point even a weapon review. So yeah. But yeah, overall, you just have to sit here for like 3 or 4 seconds, and even at epic, like, this weapon is still like doing quite well. Like, it holds up very well. So yeah, overall though, this weapon's very fun to use, man. It's just something different from what I'm used to. So overall, very cool weapon, man. That's the snowstorm. Let me know what you guys thought about this weapon, and then actually getting buffs. So yeah, you can get it in the armory today if you don't already have it. I'm pretty sure it should be very cheap. With that being said though, guys, bye.